Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Udpower C series portable power station. So if you guys are into camping, maybe you got power outages in your area, this little guy even has a jump starter cables in here, so something nice you could throw in your car. Maybe you do some off-roading, going, outdoors a lot. This little guy is, check that out, small, compact, nice little rubber things on there. It doesn't mark up anything, doesn't slide around. Got a little fan here. We got lights on the front. We got eco mode, normal, solar DC in, so you can charge this with either your car cigarette lighter. You can charge it with the USB-C's, fast charge, or solar. So lots of options there. Keep this going. This is 256 watt hours. So it's pretty significant there. Check out this. We got our little instruction manual. We got a plug-in, so we can charge it with that also. Cigarette lighter adapter. It's nice that it comes with all that stuff. And also plug in here to charge that with. So very sweet. I like that you can just jump start your vehicle too. Little plug in right here in the back, so if you need to jump start it, that's cool. Let's turn this bad boy on. I like the display here. It shows a percentage that it is, how many hours, the watts that are being used. The little digital display there is very sweet. We have a light here on the front. Press it once. It tells you, like, if you are drawing power from this thing, it tells you right here. So we're like at 1 watt on the top. Click it again for a little bit brighter. We're at 2 watt hours, and then 4 for full. And then you can turn it off. I believe this has a strobe too if you hold it down. Let's see here. Yeah, hold down for 3 seconds. Does a little SOS or a strobe. So if you have, they're trying to get some attention, have some issues, it's very cool. Then we can plug things in here if you got your phones, laptops. You take this thing to the beach, charge up your stuff, and you'll be good all day long. Very convenient. Turn that off here. I like it's got this little handle on here, so you could throw this in your backpack. It does weigh maybe between 5 to 10 pounds there, but yeah, definitely would be super handy. Take it with you in your truck or whatever, going off road, and maybe want to power your boom box or whatever, your plug in your cooler. There's just a ton of different options here. So I'm actually going to I use both my phones to charge now, but I was going to test out this one here. We have the in out 65 watts, 35 watt, or 18 watt. So I think this is at 46%. So I can take my little cable right here, go to charge. I'll plug this in, USB-C, and okay, so it's going to tell us the input and basically how long I think that's going to take to charge. So input is telling me it's at 71 watts. So I really like how this breaks down everything. It tells you, okay, it's charging at input at 71 watts, and when you do the output, so about 2.7 hours to charge the full, it's at 46%. So I like that little digital display. Sometimes you get some battery things and you have no idea how much charge is left on them, so it's super annoying. So maybe you're like, oh, is it gonna be able to charge my phone or not? So I like how this display just tells you everything, input, output, and all that. So we're gonna charge this to full. I'm gonna try this out with a couple different things and show you guys how that works. All right, so I got my solar panel set up right here, and we can see I got plugged in right on the little UD power bank here.
it tells us what kind of wattage. Oh, come on, sorry about the sunlight there, guys. Okay, so 159 watt input, and it tells us 0.3 hours going to be to 100%. So basically, I just plugged it right in here. It has this solar panel has a couple little different adapters right here, and then I just hit the little button right there, and then it just starts charging up. So very, very cool. Like little, definitely, you take this thing camping, throw out your solar panels at the daytime, you can power your stuff throughout the night. So yeah, this thing is really handy. It's very smart too. So whatever I plug in, it recognizes it, and it gives you all the information you need. So yeah, I didn't even know how much wattage this solar panel gives out until I hooked it into this thing. So 159 watts is decent. So yeah, it's cranking up there.
Okay guys, well, this is a perfect opportunity. Literally the power just went out, which is really weird because it's like perfectly nice outside. But anyways, the power's out. We got a little light going here, and I've got my TV plugged in. It's actually running the TV on here. So all off of this little thing. So we're at 73%, and how much we're using 160 watts right now. So we got about 1.2 hours left on here. So that's really cool. Didn't think the power was going to go out, so I didn't have this fully charged, but pretty amazing that you can put whatever you want in there and charge your phones or anything else like that. So this little guy, super handy, guys, very, very lightweight, compact. All right, guys, what's really cool about this, it's got the cigarette lighter adapter too. So USB, so I have this pump for this raft, but it only takes like a cigarette lighter adapter to run this thing. So if you're far away from your truck or something, this thing is perfect. Just turn it on, hit the power button, and that starts up. It tells me. All right, my friends, so final thoughts on this Udpower little power bank here. Super handy. I like that it's got the jump starter here. So if you're going camping, anything like that, this thing is just burly. Charge everything, laptop, maybe you want to take it to the beach, whatever. I like the cigarette lighter adapters. We saw it helped to inflate my, some pumps and stuff like that, only use off a cigarette lighter adapter still. So that was very handy as well. Power just went out, that was weird. They had a fire way up north and they just shut off everyone's power, so there was no issues. I was able to turn on the TV with that, everything. So I mean, obviously you're not gonna be able to run your whole house here for a long time, but if you want to charge up your devices, power your laptop, in a pinch you could turn on a lamp or something, probably gonna last quite a while on that. Very handy, very easy to work with. I like the display here. Tells you, okay, we're at 100%, it's 99.9 hours, and it tells you how many hours you have left based on what wattage I'm using. So I plug something in here, it tells you what watts, how many watts are being used, and how long it's gonna last you. So very cool, very nice. So you don't have to be like, oh, I hope I have enough to charge this up. It's literally going to tell you, do you have enough? This is how long it's going to last you. So this thing is very cool. I like it a lot. It's very handy, a nice device to have. The fact that you can just jump start your vehicle with it too is just a really nice addition. So yeah, everyone should have one of these little guys, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.